Welcome to Liberal Studies 5633, Cultures of Organizations. I'm your instructor, Dr. Amelia Adams. Many of you have already taken the core requirements, core leadership courses for your degree, and I think this is the third core requirement. So hopefully you have a foundation in some theories of leadership, and by now you understand that leadership involves leaders, followers, and the situation in which leadership occurs. One of the important aspects of the situation is the actual organization in which the leaders and followers are working. And each organization has its own culture, its own way of doing things, its own way of being. And we typically understand this. Some of you perhaps are in the military, some of you work in the corporate world, some of you perhaps in the nonprofit sector, and you sort of understand that there's a difference between military culture and corporate culture. But there are also differences within those large categories. So again, the Navy culture different from the Air Force culture, and corporate culture the same. Someone who's working at General Electric, even though that's a large corporation, is experiencing a different culture than someone who maybe is working for Google. So what this course is going to do is introduce you to a way of understanding the culture, the environment in which leadership occurs. And we're going to look at some of the differences across these different types of cultures, but we're also going to look at the similarities, because regardless of whether you're in the military, a corporation, a nonprofit organization, or perhaps the leader of your family, there are some similarities, some things that apply no matter what the situation. So again, this course is going to introduce you to this interaction of how leadership occurs within a particular culture, how you can identify that culture, and then apply the appropriate leadership concepts in order to lead effectively. Again, I look forward to learning more about the organizations in which you work, in which you participate, in your experiences, because all of that will enrich the understanding of everyone in the course. So again, welcome to Leadership 5633, and let's get started with this class.